A day in a life as a math. A day in a life as a mathematician. A day in a life as a mathematician. A day in a life as a mathematician. Nandito na po tayo namin. Medyo kabado best guys, pero I know we're gonna eat. Sasayaw na lang po ni Cynthia. Good morning everyone. So as a stage staffer, we are going to interview some of the contestants here in PNHS. So let's start off with Kuya. So, Kuya, ano pong feeling nyo ngayon na name first? What is your name?
I am Jeffrey.
What is your school?
My school is Bolinao Integrated School.
Ano pong nafe-feel nyo ngayon ba? Speak English. English. How do you feel about this contest?
I feel I'm extremely bored kasi po there's no signal.
Okay. Good luck po. I wish you all the best.
Good luck din.
Thank you.
Pag in-interview ka, interviewin mo din. Ate, what's your name po?
My name is Sharika.
What's the reason of you being here?
Because I really love math.
Ilang math are you good at math?
Magpa-vlog po tayo guys. Wow, my airplane. I hope you saw that. So yun, interviewin po natin si ma'am. Kabado po ba kayo? Kabado po ba kayo maganda? Ano pong maging reaction if matatalo po kami?
Wala, kasi hindi na mangyayari.
What if matalo nga ma'am? Ano reaction?
Iiyak ako.
So yun po. Good luck guys. We're hoping for the best. Update po namin kayo mamaya pag talo na kami. Hi guys! So, dalayas ka na update.
Presentation.
Yeah, we're not really satisfied.
But at least we answered all the questions.
Yes, with all
Confident.
Yeah, with I'm not sure. But it's kind of frustrating because they didn't ask. Yeah, and because Gina heard the girl that asked something. Should have asked that. Well, I know we're defending the right. We are lost in translation. Oh my god! That is our very maganda code. Let's go, guys. Ta-da-ta-na, ta-na-na-ta-na, ta-na-ta-na, ta-na-na-ta-na. Eh. Hi guys, so love update. Wala kang love. So, live update. Ako lang po mag-isa. And baka may makita po kayo. Baka andito ko na makita yung dawan ko, guys. The joke. Andito lang ako, guys, kasi wala kang signal doon. Dito lang. And na-find out ko siya kanina. Dito na ako. And yes, I look very assume. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the senior high to... Parang may nakatingin sa akin. Ayoko na. Pero yun, hintay na lang po namin ang mga senior na matapos para po hintay na lang po na ano daw ayoko na. Siyempre, waiting for announcement na after nun uwian na. But yeah, I'm just kind of worried kasi Ma'am Angge is overthinking and I don't want her to get disappointed. Happy na lang. Hi guys! Happy na lang ang life namin. Pag natalo!
Pag nanalo,
Sorry. So, ayun guys. Nilibot-libot na lang kami dito kasi malapit na matapos. Pero may announcement pa. So, baka po kagabihin na po kami dito. Time check guys. 5:50. Wala na. Finding halo-halo guys kasi nag-crave si Shanice. Feeling ko, hulaan nyo guys kung ano ang kanta natin dito. Sa Rosas. Sige. Sige na guys. I-date. Gagabi na talaga guys. As you can see, dumitirim na. Kala, nagnanakaw. Ire-regalo daw niya sa mga nanay nila pag ibalik niya. Uy, baka mamaya may virus yan. Maging ano tayo dyan. Uy, go!
Just one more reasons, my upside. I don't try, yeah. Shedding time on connection, baby, it's the love. So now
Ano dito?
I just me, yeah. I got your mind, baby, got to it's a job, yeah. I just wanna get close to you. All I wanna
Kunyari sa mga film.
거린 보수죠. 오늘은 계산하지 말자고 잡해 머릿속에 수수점 함께던 술과 막걸리가 있어 cozy and
Ay, ang ganda mag-picture dito. Wait na. Ha? Wait lang. Parang ganito yung setup sa... Ay, season. Oo, ganito.
완전보다 서슴없이
So, ayan. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda, guys. Hali, perform. Ang ganda mag-perform dito. Ah, paano? Dali. Ganun din. Hindi ko kinaya. Hindi nyo kinaya. 1, 2.
At di ko alam bakit ba nakakaganto. Sadyang nasasakto.
Tara na. Baka hinahanap na tayo nito. Hala, baka trespassing tayo dito. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Oh my God. Wala nang lawa. Let's go na, guys. Wanda. Kunyari lang. Sige, tara na, guys.
Kami na lang po yung natitira, kaya kami na.
Hi guys, so pauwi na po kami. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya talaga.
Oo, kasi madilim.
Dark. The view is viewing. I can see it. It's original. Anong nakuha mong souvenir? Hey!
Ako ito, guys.
Hey!
Ako ni NHN. Nakakuha ako ng Aqua Plus. Para umuwing hindi naka-Aqua Plus, uuwing may Aqua Plus. Ngayong araw lang pala ako nagtatapos.
Ganito ang gusto ko, outing agad. Art and design shop.
Relate to desperation. Might give a damn. Or
Hi guys!
Where are we?
Here in Makbara.
Yes.
We want to experience and something that,
Yeah. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfume for you.
Ganito kasi mag-picture.
Yes, I know I'm melting to it for you. That morning coffee brewed for you. One touch and I'm brand new for you.
it's Chili's flag.
See, I'm free.
No, you're red. Very much red.
You know who's the reddest?
You.
No, the one who's holding that flag.
No, it's me.
Yeah, I know.